We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Another 3D primitive, that is cylinder. When we click on cylinder, or we can write cylinder on command prompt and can execute the command cylinder. When we execute the command cylinder, AutoCAD will ask to specify the center point of the base of the cylinder. I will draw cylinder with the coordinate system method, so I will specify center point as a 0, 0. So my center point is origin of this XYZ coordinate system. Now AutoCAD will ask for radius of that cylinder, so I will give input as a 15. Radius of the cylinder is 15. Then AutoCAD will ask for the height of the cylinder. I will give 50 as the height of the cylinder. So now my cylinder is ready. Center point as a 0, 0. It means origin. Radius of that cylinder is 15 mm and height will be 50 mm. So the method to draw cylinder is to click on the cylinder icon, or we can type cylinder on the command prompt. Then AutoCAD will ask for center point of the base. Then AutoCAD will ask for the radius of that cylinder, or base of radius. And then AutoCAD will ask for height. So giving these 3 input, we can construct cylinder on AutoCAD. Thank you.